welcome to my kitchen. So this bread is a mixture of oats, seeds, nuts, and wheat flour. Yes, or let me say bread flour plus oats, seeds, and nuts. So that's what we are going to do today. Like this video for me, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. And so I have water, warm water. Yes, and it's 100 ml. And I have my yeast also here, and I have sugar also here. So what I'm going to do is 1 tablespoon of sugar into the warm water. The yeast too is 1 tablespoon that I'm going to add, and I'll stir everything together, cover, and then set it aside. So please subscribe this for me, like and share this video. So you set it aside for about 5 minutes. Okay, these are my seeds and nuts: almond nuts, walnut, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to chop all of them. Yes, I'm going to chop all of them. Just make it small. Yes. Then after chopping all of them, I'm going to toast it on fire to generate the flavors and all that, and very well before we will use it. Yes. Okay, so these are the seeds and nuts, and my yeast too is ready. Okay, it's ready. So what I'm going to do is we are going to start mixing our dry ingredients. This is bread flour, and this is 2 cups. This is also 2 cups oats flour, and I'm going to use oatmeal. It's not up to 1 cup. This is the 1 cup I'm using. This 1 cup in Ghana is half cup, so the 2 cups in Ghana is 1 cup. Okay, so I added a tablespoon of nutmeg, and I've added non-dairy milk powder also to it, about 3 tablespoons to it. Yes, so the cup is half cup in Ghana, but outside there is measured 1 cup. Okay, so I've added my seeds and nuts also to it. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of sugar to it. Yes, I don't want it sugary. So that's what I'm doing now. Mix everything together, and I'm going to add 1 egg also to it. 1 egg, and I'm going to add salt solution. Then I'll add coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to it, and then I'm going to add my flavor also to it. Then we'll mix everything together. So I've added my yeast also to it, and I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm mixing with my hands, trying to bring everything together. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Okay, so at this point I felt it's very hard, so I just sprinkled a little bit of water on it. So I'm going to cover it and set it aside for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what I have. Okay, so we are going to bring it together again, knead it a little, and then we are going to start rolling it. And yeah, so I'm going to divide it into four equal parts. The chopping board, I spread coconut oil on it. It's better to use oil at this point than to use flour. The more flour you use, the more hard it will become. So I decided to use oil on it, so you can use butter on it. And my rolling pin that I'm going to use too, I applied some of the coconut oil on it to avoid it from sticking, and I'm just rolling. I'll take one of the dough and then divide it into two and add one to this. Yes, because I felt it's too small, so I'm going to, yes, and then add one to it. And then I'm going to roll it again. So I have already lined my baking sheets. Yes, I've used parchment paper to line it. So after rolling everything, we are just going to, so I'll just take it, roll it this way. Roll it this way. And then I'm going to seal it, tack it this way, and then make sure that it seals. If you don't tack it well, it can open. When you are baking, it can open. So you want everything to be together, so just make sure you tack it very well and then roll it. Yes, roll it a little bit, and then I'm going to just take it and then place it in the baking sheets. Okay. Okay, so this is another one also. I'm doing the second one. Then I'm left with one. So that one too, I decided to divide it into four and then roll it into smaller shapes, round shape. This way. Okay. So after, the next thing I'll do is I'll cover the doughs and then set it aside for 1 hour. Yes, leave it for 1 hour for it to double in size before we bake it. Yes. So I'm going to cover and then we'll set it aside for 1 hour before we will bake it. And after the 1 hour, it's doubled in size. Yes, it was double. So these are the, yes, so after 1 hour, this is it. We are going to bake it. I decided to change the baking pan to the other one to this one. And so we are going to, I already have my gas oven on. It's very low, yes, so that will bake it. Now I baked mine a bit dry, and so if you don't want it to be very dry, then just monitor it 20 minutes. It should be okay, or less than that. And so this is it. My bread is ready. It's ready, and it was very nice. It wasn't sugary. I liked it. I liked the way it felt, the oats and everything, the seeds also in it, they were all sumptuous. Thanks so much for watching. Like and share this video for me. Bye bye.